Dogecoin value equivalent to 1.4703 rands a coin. The present cost range, 1.4540 1.5216. The earlier day close, 1.4580. The change was plus 0.0123, plus 0.84%. Opposite rate, ZAR to Doge. Dogecoin cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, April 3, cost 1.54 rands, high 1.65, low 1.43. Dogecoin conjecture on Tuesday, April 4, cost 1.57 rands, high 1.68, low 1.46. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, April 5, cost 1.54 rands, high 1.65, low 1.43. Dogecoin conjecture on Thursday, April 6, cost 1.56 rands, high 1.67, low 1.45. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, April 7, cost 1.59 rands, high 1.70, low 1.48. In multi-week Dogecoin conjecture on Monday, April 10, cost 1.56 rands, high 1.67, low 1.45. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, April 11, cost 1.56 rands, high 1.67, low 1.45. Dogecoin conjecture on Wednesday, April 12, cost 1.52 rands, high 1.63, low 1.41. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, April 13, cost 1.47 rands, high 1.57, low 1.37. Dogecoin conjecture on Friday, April 14, cost 1.54 rands, high 1.65, low 1.43. In about 14 days Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, April 17, cost 1.49 rands, high 1.59, low 1.39. Dogecoin gauge on Tuesday, April 18, cost 1.60 rands, high 1.71, low 1.49. Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday, April 19, cost 1.56 rands, high 1.67, low 1.45. Dogecoin gauge on Thursday, April 20, cost 1.59 rands, high 1.70, low 1.48. Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday, April 21, cost 1.51 rands, high 1.62, low 1.40. In 3 weeks Dogecoin gauge on Monday, April 24, cost 1.57 rands, high 1.68, low 1.46. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday, April 25, cost 1.63 rands, high 1.74, low 1.52. Dogecoin gauge on Wednesday, April 26, cost 1.52 rands, high 1.63, low 1.41. Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday, April 27, cost 1.59 rands, high 1.70, low 1.48. Dogecoin gauge on Friday, April 28, cost 1.64 rands, high 1.75, low 1.53. In about a month Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, May 1, cost 1.75 rands, high 1.87, low 1.63. Dogecoin figure on Tuesday, May 2, cost 1.75 rands, high 1.87, low 1.63. Dogecoin value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Dogecoin cost expectation for April 2023. Before all else cost at 1.37 rands, excessive cost 1.75, while low cost 1.35. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.53. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.64, change for April 19.7%. Dogecoin figure for May 2023, initially cost at 1.64 rands, excessive cost 1.98, while low cost 1.50. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.74. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.85, change for May 12.8%. Dogecoin cost expectation for June 2023. At the outset cost at 1.85 rands, excessive cost 1.85, while low cost 1.60. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.76. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.72, change for June 7.0%. Dogecoin gauge for July 2023. To start with cost at 1.72 rands, exorbitant cost 1.72, while low cost 1.43. They found the middle value of cost 1.60. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 1.54, change for July 10.5%. Dogecoin cost expectation for August 2023. To start with cost at 1.54 rands, exorbitant cost 1.92, while low cost 1.54. They found the middle value of cost 1.70. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 1.79. Change for August 16.2%. Dogecoin gauge for September 2023. To start with cost at 1.79 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.79, while low cost 1.40. Found the middle value of cost 1.62. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 1.50. Change for September 16.2%. Dogecoin cost expectation for October 2023. To start with cost at 1.50 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.50, while low cost 1.17. Found the middle value of cost 1.36. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 1.26. Change for October 16.0%. Dogecoin estimate for November 2023. First and foremost cost at 1.26 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.56, while low cost 1.26. Found the middle value of cost 1.39. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.46. Change for November 15.9%. Dogecoin cost expectation for December 2023. First and foremost cost at 1.46 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.67, while low cost 1.45. Found the middle value of cost 1.54. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.56. Change for December 6.8%. Dogecoin estimate for January 2024. First and foremost cost at 1.56 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.56, while low cost 1.35. Found the middle value of cost 1.48. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.45. Change for January 7.1%. Dogecoin cost expectation for February 2024. First and foremost cost at 1.45 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.63, while low cost 1.41. Found the middle value of cost 1.50. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.52. Change for February 4.8%. Dogecoin gauge for WAC 2024. In the first place cost at 1.52 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.52, while low cost 1.19. Found the middle value of cost 1.38. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 1.28. Change for spring 15.8%. Dogecoin cost expectation for April 2024. In the first place cost at 1.28 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.28, while low cost 1.00. Found the middle value of cost 1.16. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 1.08. Change for April 15.6%. ZAR to Doge swapping scale equivalent to 0.6802 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.6572 minus 0.6878. The earlier days nearby 0.6859. Change for now 0.0057, 0.83%. ZAR to Doge cost expectation for in the not so distant future and month. Rand to Dogecoin